Owed $10,000? Don't just let it go. You can sue without spending money on a lawyer. Welcome to How to Sue Someone for $10,000 Without a Lawyer video. Stick around. Step 6 could be your game changer, and Step 10 seals the deal. Small Claims Court is made for everyday folks like you. It's fast, affordable, and made to help you recover debts, damages, or settle disputes without a legal degree. From filing the case to walking out with a check, we're breaking it all down, arcade style. Ready to press start on justice? Let's turn your frustration into compensation. Step 1. Make sure your case qualifies for small claims court. Every state has its own rules, but most cap claims between $5,000 to $10,000, perfect for unpaid loans, property damage, or broken contracts. If your case is outside those limits or involves defamation or personal injury, small claims won't cut it. For example, California allows up to $10,000 under California Code of Civil Procedure, Section 116.221. Also, make sure you're filing in the right location. Jurisdiction matters. If the defendant lives in another state, it gets tricky. Mail this first step or your case could get tossed. Step 2 is all about proving the money's rightfully yours. Let's go. Step 2. Gather rock-solid evidence to prove you're owed. Whether it's unpaid rent, a busted laptop, or a loan gone silent, documents win cases. Think. Signed contracts, receipts, screenshots, emails, texts, or even photos of the damage. No proof? No payout. Courts want clear facts, and Berman v. Orkin shows how evidence makes or breaks your case. Pro tip: organize everything in order. Dates, times, conversations. If you loaned money, show you asked for repayment. Witnesses? Even better, get written statements. This is your foundation. Next up in Step 3, how to file your claim like a pro. Step 3, time to make it official. File your lawsuit at your local small claims court. Grab the claim form online or head to the courthouse. Fill it out carefully with the defendant's full name, address, and exactly what you're demanding. One mistake on this form, your case could get tossed. Filing fees usually run between $30 to $100 depending on your state, but don't worry. You can often add this cost to your claim. Once filed, the court will give you a hearing date. But here's the key: you must serve the defendant properly. That's what Step 4 is all about. Nailing the legal notice so your case doesn't crash before it starts. Step 4. Serve the defendant legally. It's the make or break step. You can't just text them. Use a sheriff, professional process server, or certified mail. Each state has specific rules, so follow them to the letter. Mess this up, and your whole case could be dismissed. You'll need to file a proof of service form, confirming the defendant got the paperwork, per California Code of Civil Procedure Section 116.340 if you're in California. The defendant typically gets 15 to 30 days to respond, depending on your state. Proper service locks in your right to be heard. Next up, Step 5, get ready to own that courtroom. Step 5, prep a killer court presentation. This is your moment. Start by organizing all your evidence, receipts, contracts, messages, photos, whatever proves your claim. Practice a short, clear 5-minute speech that lays out who owes you, what happened, why it matters, and how much you're owed. Expect the defendant to push back. Rehearse your rebuttals so you're not caught off guard. Courts love clarity, not drama. Bring at least 3 copies of every document. One for the judge, one for the defendant, and one for you. Dress sharp and respectful. Skip the hoodie and jeans. First impressions count. Step 6 is all about showing up and shining in court. Let's win that case. Step 6. Nail your court day like a pro. Arrive early, dress respectfully, and stay focused. This is your shot to get paid. When it's your turn, speak clearly and confidently. Stick to facts, not emotions. Ranting loses judges, not wins. Answer every question directly and honestly. When it's time to present evidence, do it calmly and professionally, just like in Johnson v. Smith. If the defendant twists the truth, don't argue. Let your proof do the talking. Judges respect cool heads and solid facts. Courtroom confidence is your secret weapon. Step 7's where the judge drops the hammer. Let's win that judgment. Step 7. Secure that judgment like a boss. If the judge rules in your favor, you'll walk away with a court order that says, yes, they owe you money. That could be up to $10,000, including court costs, per California Code of Civil Procedure, Section 116.610. But here's the kicker. Winning in court doesn't mean instant cash. You've got the judgment, now you've got to collect. So celebrate the win, but get ready. Step 8 is all about getting your money in hand. Step 8. Time to collect that $10,000 judgment like a pro. Don't assume the defendant will pay up. Most won't unless you make them. That's where wage garnishment, bank levies, or property liens come in, depending on your state laws. If you skip this step, your court win means nothing. No collection, no cash. File the proper paperwork with the court to enforce the judgment, and if needed, bring in the sheriff to seize assets. Surprisingly low cost, totally worth it. Stay persistent and patient. Step 9 is all about dodging mistakes that can blow your case. Step 9. Avoid the traps that can wreck your entire case. One missed deadline, usually 2 to 3 years depending on your state, and your right to sue vanishes. That's right, your $10,000 could disappear just because you waited too long. Also, never fudge facts or fake evidence. Perjury can get you fined or worse. Show up to court, file in the correct jurisdiction, and double check every detail. One sloppy move can blow it all. Now let's hit step 10. How to boost your odds and walk out a winner. Step 10. Maximize your win with pro-level strategies. First rule, respect the judge. Dress sharp, stay calm, and speak clearly. Bring extra copies of all evidence and practice your rebuttals like it's game day. This isn't just court. It's your $10,000 on the line. Research similar small claims cases online to sharpen your argument. And here's a secret win condition. If the defendant doesn't show up, you could win by default. No contest. No court procedure. Play it smart, play it sharp. This is your moment to cash in. Ready for bonus tips to lock it all down? Let's go. Before you sue, send a demand letter for that $10,000. This is your opening move. Lay out your claim, back it with evidence, and give them a deadline. 30 days is standard. Skip this step, and you could look unprepared in court. Send it via certified mail so you've got proof, just like the court expects. If the defendant ignores it, even better. It shows you made a good faith effort to settle, which boosts your credibility. Tons of free templates are online. I give link in description, so don't wing it. Now let's talk about how to handle defendants who fight dirty. Some defendants will do anything to dodge responsibility. They'll avoid being served, lie in court, or even countersue to throw you off. Don't panic. Use every legal method to serve them. Sheriff, certified mail, or a licensed process server. If they play hard to reach, get strategic, you can even ask the court for alternative service options. In court, if they lie, don't argue. Let your evidence do the talking. Judges respect facts, not drama. And if they countersue, be ready with rebuttals and proof to defend yourself. Stay calm, stay sharp, and stay focused. Your win depends on it. Now let's crush some common small claims court myths. Myth busted. Think you need a lawyer for small claims court? Wrong. This court is built for regular people like you. It's DIY friendly, and judges even expect you to represent yourself. Next myth. It's too complicated. Nope. The forms are straightforward, and most court websites offer guides or even free workshops. And that scary idea that judgments are impossible to collect? Not true. No. Wage garnishment, bank levies, and property liens are powerful tools that work fast when used right. Don't let these myths keep you from your $10,000. Now let's recap everything you need to win your case and get paid. Owed $10,000? You've got the tools to sue and win without a lawyer. From filing to collecting, you're ready to dominate small claims court. Got a lawsuit story? Share below. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe for more legal wins. Check your state's court website, gather evidence, and take control. You're the boss. Go get that cash. Now time for disclaimer. The content on this video is for general information for education purpose only and should not be considered legal advice. We work hard to provide accurate and up-to-date details, but we can't guarantee the completeness or accuracy of the information. We put the source of collected information in video and description. Laws and rules change often, and interpretations may vary. For specific advice, always consult a qualified legal expert. We are not liable for any actions you take based on this information. If you spot any errors or outdated content, please contact us, and we'll update it as soon as possible and mention in description. See you next time.